Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys have been living a happy and fit lifestyle as always. So I'm back with the episode 5 of my journey at Miss Universe India for my state of Uttar Pradesh, and this day 3 which I'm going to talk about in this video was just a day before the finale and my birthday, which was 29th of March. It was the most hectic day, to be very honest, and there are a lot of things I'm going to mention. Also, I talk about a huge mess up that happened. So, this video will also have a lot of interesting things that happened on this day. So before we move forward, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and let's get started with this one. This day started with a sponsor session of ours, and we were guided about a lot of things regarding our skin, and there are so many treatments that we can opt for as a pageant girly. And it went for 2 to 3 hours, and then we had our personal interview round, and I'll attach a picture of my personal interview round outfit. Or this was something that decided, I think 80% of the result. I think so, because that was something that was told to us. But I was not nervous, to be very honest, because I knew what I am going to do. Like, I knew what is my introduction was, I knew my opinion, I knew my stand. I had practiced a lot many times. I had introspected my entire journey, so I was not nervous for it at all. In fact, I was excited. I was very excited and thrilled to meet the judges over there. And it was after a long wait that my interview came, and I was asked questions quite similar to the ones I faced at my audition round, because that was also based on my introduction. And here also it was kind of get to know you more kind of a thing. So I was so basically, you when you speak your introduction and there is one thing mentioned which is not usual, obviously the judges will question you about it. And my that particular thing was the Bhagavad Gita, and I was cross questioned a lot, and I somewhere expected, because I have participated in a few past pageants. I have undergone training there. I faced a lot of mock pageants. So every time I gave an interview, this was an aspect that the judges always tap onto. So I was much prepared, and I was mentally expecting that I will be cross questioned a lot based on the Bhagavad Gita, because this is something that if I have mentioned that I have the knowledge, then they will want to make sure that am I just bragging about it to impress the judges that, oh, she has that knowledge, or she is really she really means what she says. So I was expecting it, and I think it went on well according to me. And the interview got over, we had our lunch, and then we began with the choreography of our dance, our opening dance practice. So that was the time when we started, and we again were made to do our choreography separately. The choreographer just asked us to perform to see what all we remember. And then we were just deciding that how is this supposed to end. Like, ऐसा हुआ था कि हम लोग मिस कैटेगरी कंटेस्टेंट्स का परफॉर्मेंस हुआ, दे वर सपोज टू स्टेप असाइड, और फिर मिसेस कैटेगरी के जो कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं वो आगे आएंगे, दे विल परफॉर्म. बट एंडिंग इसकी कैसे होगी, नो वन हैड एन आइडिया. तो हम लोग की कोरियोग्राफी थोड़ी सी चेंज हुई, हम लोग की पोजिशनिंग थोड़ी सी चेंज करी गई. एंड वी वर सब, like, I'll attach a video of it to give you a better idea, that we were made to, like, we were standing in a sea. एंड जो मिसेस कैटेगरी थी, सारी मिस कैटेगरीज की गर्ल्स अब सी बना के खड़ी हुई हैं, एंड द मिसेस कैटेगरी इज परफॉर्मिंग इन द मिडल आफ्टर आवर परफॉर्मेंस इज ओवर. एंड वंस दे एंड, we were supposed to come forward, join their crowd that they have formed. I would call it a crowd because it was not organized at all, and we have to give a pose and thing, and it was looking so messed up. So we practiced it 3-4 टाइम्स एंड हम लोगों को नहीं समझ में आ रहा था कि हम लोग को सी तो हमने बना लिया, बट हम लोग को आगे किस तरह आके किस किस पोजीशन पे खड़े होना है प्रॉपरली सो दैट इट लुक्स क्लीन. बट इट हैपेंड एंड वी वर वंडरिंग कि क्या ऐसा हमारा एंड होने वाला है डांस कोरियोग्राफी जो भी हमारी हुई है. But we did our best that we could so that it looked clean, but maybe it wasn't. So choreography session ho gaya and then talent round tha, and I'll attach a video of my talent round because I had really practiced it a lot, and by practicing it a lot I do not mean that मुझे इतनी practice करनी पड़ी इतने टाइम से ये वो. The most challenging part was कि जब मेरे pageant की training चल रही थी, no matter I'm training like grooming चल रही थी, when the pageant had started from day one I was practicing it every single day, no matter how hectic my day was. Even if like before the pageant, if I was going for my pageant shopping to get my outfit sorted, no matter if I had gone out in the morning, I am coming back at 10 or 11, I will make sure that I practice my talent round and I'll attach a video. I was very much satisfied with my talent round, to be very honest. So हमारा talent round हो गया and then we were again we had a bit of a high tea break and again we were supposed to have our choreography for the final, like final the show director came and जो हमारी बनारसी साड़ी और गाउन में वॉक कोरियोग्राफी होनी थी वो होना स्टार्ट हुई and it was 10:30-11 p.m. already. And then our show director came to see our opening dance. First she saw our walk choreography, जो walk choreography basically जो पूरे show की choreography होने वाली थी. First she saw that and then she saw the opening dance and we were doing our thing. We formed a huge C and the Mrs. categories were performing, Mrs. category women were performing and we were stopped in the middle. The show director, she paused the music and she said that it's looking terrible and she said that you can't do this on stage in front of such a huge audience. I want this to be much cleaner and she also said कि जो हमारा stage है वो इतना बड़ा नहीं होगा कि हम सारी लड़कियाँ एक बड़ा सा C form कर पाएँ on stage. And we were supposed to make it look cleaner and जो वहाँ पे show director थे he helped us with our positioning और हमारा basically almost पूरा act दोबारा से choreograph. The steps were the same but हमारी positioning दोबारा से हुई and this went on till 1 a.m. 12 बजे I started getting calls from my friends and family to wish me as it was my birthday and I'm at backstage taking everyone's calls being like thank you so much, I'm so sorry, I'm at my rehearsals, I'll just call you back and they're like all the best, give it your best shot. 1 a.m. हो गया और अगले दिन का भी I think call time 8:39 something ऐसा ही था और अगले दिन 30th of March on my birthday was the finale. जो finale था that will be discussed in the finale episode of this series which will be the episode 6 and I'm very excited to share it and I hope you guys enjoyed this series and I hope you guys are excited for the final episode of the series. So stay tuned for that and if you have any queries let me know in the comment section below and as soon as possible I'll try to be back with some more interesting stuff. Till then, take good care of yourself and stay happy.